The Federal Communications Commission (FCC) is usurping our freedom of press. Granted, television and video have many positive qualities. However, the FCC better stop restricting freedom of press and start granting everyone free access to the broadcast television airwaves.
The FCC is regulating broadcast television to control access to the airwaves. I boycott broadcast television, and strongly prefer that you do the same if you don't have a better idea. Internet videos, movie theaters, DVDs, and the like are perfectly acceptable regardless of content.
The fully functioning internet is proof positive we don't need tightly controlled press regulation. To boycott broadcast television is to forever affirm the great American freedom of the press. Shut off broadcast television, and read a book or watch some video.
Free Press Media is envisioning broadcast television becoming as free as the internet. As a great model, Free Press Media is affirming freedom of press by offering unique audio talks and videos as alternatives to broadcast television.
Free Press Media is solving the FCC-controlled broadcast television problem. Please help us further solve this problem.
If you would like more information or you would like to start a Free Press Media chapter at your campus, church, high school, city, factory, lodge, or anywhere else, email Free Press Media.